This automatic materials adding and dynamic balancing machine provides imbalance detection and correction for the ventilation fan blades of car seats. After the tested product is loaded, the CCD positioning module is moved to accurately locate the product and conduct balance testing. After determining the initial imbalance and imbalance position, the dispensing and quality correction is carried out according to the dispensing correction model established by the system. With the help of a self-made high-precision dispensing valve, the dispensing volume and dispensing position are controlled to achieve precise correction. The dispensing valve is equipped with a needle cleaning module and a calibration module to ensure accuracy during repeated dispensing processes. The equipment is controlled by a central system, and the processes of product loading and unloading, product transfer, initial unbalance detection, unbalance correction, and unbalance retesting are all carried out synchronously, helping manufacturers significantly improve the quality and efficiency of correction.